Good morning. Welcome to Larry's Garden. This video update is for you to look at and hope you enjoy and see the growth since the last time we did this. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right. This here's our snow peas and string beans. Down here, this is a marigold, keeps the bugs away. This is our basil. A little too much water, it's yellowing, but doing good. Here we have, I believe, zucchini or something growing. See that? Yeah. That just popped up. Might be left over from last year. This is our kale. Green beans, green onion. These are turnips for nice soup in the winter or salad during the summer. Back here we have more beans and corn. This tall thing, that's our corn. This little lovely here is our carrot patch. Getting ready to carrot. For some reason we got a hole in the middle. We don't know why. More beans, snow peas, beans. A rogue tomato plant stuck back there. More corn. More beans. Let's see if we can. Oh, string bean. There you go. String beans. String beans. We've been already made about 2 meals out of them. More beans. Here is our tomato patch. We just trimmed them all up and put them in stakes because they were all over the ground. Roma tomatoes coming up there. This here is our romaine. Mixed greens here. A pineapple. And this, more corn. But look at this. There's corn growing right there. It's a nice ear. Another one back here. That hairy stuff is where the corn is. We also have, what are these yellow beans?
Those are snow peas, but they don't do very well in Florida.
Oh.
We only had a few.
Then back here, the compost pile. This is freshly getting ready to turn into this. Check this out. They sell that in the store for like 10 bucks a bag. And some firewood for the fire. Okay, that's all we got for now. We'll keep you updated. There's the farmer in the dell.
No pictures.
That's it, folks. Thank you for watching, and if you like what you see, subscribe to the button below and like us. Thank you very much.